In this video I will show the latest update of Wapv. I don't know if you know, but Wapv is one of the tools most used by professional traders, and it is part of price and volume analysis. So, she couldn't stay out of Wapv. We put two versions of Wapv. One is the Wapv that starts with fixed date, daily, weekly and monthly. And the other one is Wapv Custom. You can choose where the volume goes start to be read. Let's see how to put it on the chart. First, pull Wapv to MetaTrader 5 screen, click OK. Now, see that the arrow is showing you the two new tools, Wapv and Midas. First let's click on the Wapv. See that the daily, weekly and monthly Wapv has already appeared automatically on the chart. But let's say you want to disable some VWAP. Just go into settings and change from true to false. Okay, now let's look at Wapv Custom or Midas. Click on Midas. In its right corner 6 colored squares will appear. Each one represents a Midas. The first 3 from above are to be used in the tops and the bottom 3 to be used at the low. Let's see how to do it. I'll click on the first one at the top. As soon as I click it, another block written move appears. Now I click on it, choose where I will position the Midas and then click on it again, so it doesn't change places. I click on it, the move button will appear, click on it, and choose where I will anchor Midas. After anchor, I click the button again. Now let's see the settings. Note that you have the option to switch sides and the option to change colors. Wapvs like Midas are hidden supports and resistances, and the Wapv gives you that flexibility to quickly check where your footprint is. The smart money camp. I hope you liked it, and until the next videos, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.